Today's unboxing is this shark tooth design hairband. As you can see, it's got a Chinese label on it. So this is from China, so it's a cheap product. At a cheap price. I think I paid about $4. Let's get it open. I know it's a bit noisy, bear with me. There we go. So this is the actual product. Some good flex in there. The ridges that go through your hair, not too sharp at all, so you can put a fair bit of pressure on there. You're not going to hurt yourself. Smooth design, good flexibility. I don't want to bend it all the way, it may snap, but it looks like a quality product for $4. It's not very complicated, obviously. I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10.